We have lost 50% of the planet's wildlife over the past 50 years.
It's absolutely clear that the pursuit of economic growth means the destruction of the natural world.
L'extinction de masse est le problème principal aujourd'hui.
The hardest thing, though, is how do we get other people to realize that?
Une fois qu'on s'est dit tout ça, par où on commence? Comprendre, c'est tout aussi important qu'agir. Sortir de cette bulle urbaine, voir ce qui se passe autre part et voir qu'en fait, il y a des solutions qui existent.
Each wave brings in more and more plastic. It's almost a hopeless task.
You take shower every morning, and don't you think, oh, it's hopeless to take a shower every morning?
Together, they've collected 9,000 tons of plastic in just 3 years.
Il faut préserver la forêt, il faut augmenter l'hétérogénéité des paysages.
45 years ago, where we are right now was cattle pasture. 10,000 cattle were here in this area.
Si on a un prédateur très gênant, on va pas essayer de mettre un produit, on va essayer d'amener le prédateur du prédateur.
It shows us that we're capable of reversing the trend, bringing species back if we take the trouble to understand how they work.
Parfois, il en suffit de quelques-uns seulement pour gagner les combats.
Il faut réapprendre à faire de la place pour les autres formes de vie.
We have to see ourselves as animals.
If we disappeared tomorrow, do you think the ants would notice we were missing?
No.
No, but if the ants disappear, life as we know it would end. And so we really need these tiny creatures.
We are feeling that we're separate from the rest of the natural world, but we're not.